Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore another powerful component, the card. In the editor view, open the Components panel and search for Card to get started. For organizing bite-sized pieces of information, the card component is your go-to solution. It's a flexible container designed to present content in a clean and structured way. In the Card Properties panel, you can control different sections of the card, including the header, body, and footer. Each section can be enabled or customized based on your design needs. You can adjust the background color, modify border thickness and color, and even add elevation shadows to create depth. Inside the card, you can place images, text, buttons, or any other elements, making it perfect for feature highlights, product displays, or user profiles. It's simple, powerful, and highly versatile.